So for my dash cam that faces forward, I only have one. Instead of just connecting the USB wire directly to the 12-volt outlet, I decided to try to keep it clean and just use a battery pack. Now, for the dash cam, you can use a standard USB battery pack, which you can find anywhere now. But I wanted to be able to control the dash cam easy, power it on and off. Now, it does have a switch on it, which you can press, so you can have any kind, but I decided to use something like this. It has a on-off switch at the top, just so I can power it on and off when I'm using the car. Now the drawback to that is I forget sometimes to turn it off and I come back and the battery's dead. So I carry two. I think this was the only type or voltage I could find with a switch, but it doubles as a 12-volt supply, so anything 12-volt with a barrel connector can power that item. So that's how I do it. I didn't feel like running the wire down or even hardwiring it. So this car has a curtain airbag on the pillar, A-pillar, and I didn't want to mess with it. I could disconnect the battery, but the battery's in the back. So I just decided to keep it simple. I tuck the battery into the sun visor and leave it like that. Now the drawback to that is when people ride in the car and try to put the sun visor down, they get a nice surprise. So I try to warn them, but sometimes it doesn't happen. It's just one of those things I do, just to try to keep it clean, which reminds me I have to vacuum this car.